What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better, you feel me? Today we're doing Pass the Beat challenge with my bro 7 Beats and Trifreeze, super fire producers, so make sure to go check them out. I'm going to start making the melody right now and then pass it over to the next producer and then see what he can do with it. So let's get it. I didn't want to catch the bag. I ain't got to buy the tax. Ooh, my days. This is a hit. I swear, make sure to stick around to the end because I know the other two guys will go crazy. Oh my, fucking hell. Let's add some reverb to the main sound. What I love to do is put this on Sanctuary. It's really clean. Like, this is with the Valhalla vintage verb and this without it. Like, it opens up more like that. Little bit of super VHS as well, just to like spice it up a little bit more. Add some delay to this. I love to put this on duct tape. Like, delay is only playing when the sound is not playing, if that makes sense. So just like the delay comes in between those little gaps. Little bit of Valhalla vintage verb on this as well. I think right now the melody needs like a crazy bass. The melody sounding really simple, to be honest, but I didn't want to add too much because I wanted to leave some room for the other producers to add their own sauce to it. So I'm just going to bounce it over right now.
Sounds like a plug sample. So let's chop up the sample and then I'm gonna make some tweaks. Let's pitch down the sample 300 cent. Let's remove the high frequencies from the bass line. Let's add some chorus to the guitar. I'm gonna use the chorus tune 6. I want to make it sound way more aggressive. So let's use the guitar rig Dirt Bass GT preset. Remove some of the harsh frequencies. Then I'm gonna widen up the sound. So I'm using the Unison Mangler and expand it. So right now I'm gonna add some delay. So right now I'm gonna add a lot of ambience to this sample. Remove the low frequencies on the reverb. Let's use the augmented voices. So let's use this one. So Scana also sent me the MIDI file on one of the samples, so let's drag it in. And we pitch the sample down 3 notes, so 1, 2, 3. So let's remove those ones. Pitch this one up 1 octave. Maybe pitch up the whole melody. And then let's use Patterns Trance preset. So I want to push it a little bit to the background. So let's use a band path, just a slope like this. Let's use another compressor to really pull it to the front. Let's add some strings. Session strings 2. So right now, let's drag in this MIDI file again, 1 octave higher, and let's mess around with this melody. So let's do something very similar. Oh. So right now I'm gonna add some more effects. Let's add some retro color VHS sample. And again, I'm gonna add some chorus. Like this. Maybe a little bit more. And right now, let's add a shaper box. Let's use the sign panning. So right now, let's add some panning. This one to the left and this one to the right. And right now, let's add a soft clipper to squeeze the sample together. So I always want to hit around minus 12 dB. So that's it when it comes to my part of this Pass the Beat challenge. So right now I'm going to export it and send it to Trifreeze. I'm really looking forward to what Trifreeze is going to create. Big thanks to Scana Beats for inviting me to this video. And let's move on to Trifreeze.
All right, let's flip the sample, man. Little slide right here. I feel like I fit the track, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, another trick is sometimes the kick sounds weird on high 808s. It just sounded a little bit off. Pitch it up like 3, sound a lot better. Got a little hat loop in here. Boom. All right, I'm gonna do one last thing to the sample though. Reverse it. take a kick and you reverse it. Simple as that.
Shut up, Trifreeze.
Oh my days, this flip is hard. Damn, Trifreeze and Seventh beats killed this. I like the reverse.
So yeah, that's the final beat. Skana and Seventh killed it, man. Shout out to them for real. And yeah, thanks for having me on.
That's love, bro. Shit, I really love the beat. Damn. I would have done like some crazy trap drums over it with like a really hard knocking Z 808. But other than that, bro, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you especially learned from this. I really enjoyed this cookup. Big shout out to Trifreeze and 7beats for joining me on the channel. Make sure to go check out their YouTube channel as well. They got a lot of sauce on their channel as well. Also, I'm active on social media as well, so feel free to check that out and follow me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.